Today I'm going to open the September Curated Bead Box, and I am also going to open a limited edition Cancer Awareness Curated Bead Box. With the Cancer Awareness Bead Box, it's only available the month of September and October, and you will not get the 35% off on this box because it is a limited edition. On this box, however, if you put the code in and you're a new subscriber to the monthly subscription, you will get 35% off, and the code is Gina 35%. But I will put a link, but like I said, you won't get that for this one. I'm going to open both of them today, and with both boxes, you can see everything is listed at the bottom here that is inside the box, and here. So let's go ahead and open the September box, and I'm going to lay them all out. I'll open it so you can see how it's packaged and how nicely everything is put in here, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay these beads out in the order that are on the box here so that I can go through them in a halfway decent manner. So hang on one second and I will be back and show you. I have laid out the beads, and we're going to go ahead and go through. And there's always a little bag of findings also. It's not listed on the box, but there's ear wires, crimp beads, stretch cord, bead stringing wire in here. Very nice. Now we're going to go through. We have 4mm deep cerulean glass pearl beads. Now I'm thinking that's this one right there, so that should be first. So this is a nice long strand of these deep blue pearl looking beads. They're nice glass, they're painted nice, they're not all globby or anything. And then we've got 4mm turquoise glass beads, the glass pearl beads. Those are really pretty. I'm going to use those a lot in bead weaving. These 4mm will work great, and so will all of these 6mm. So, and then the 6mm hunter green jade glass beads. These are really pretty. They look like jade too. They're really nice. And then we've got 6mm slate gray pearls. Nice gray, pretty, nice long strand. And then we've got 6mm green spot marble. Those are really pretty. They have purple, all different colors in them. That's a nice long strand too. And then we have got 8mm stone gray faceted glass beads. These are really pretty. Let's sparkle on that. That's nice. Those are pretty. And then we've got 8mm forest green team and school glass beads. These are pretty. These are kind of a, they're hunter green, but they have kind of a tealish look to them, just slightly. And then we've got 10mm bottle green jade style glass beads, and this is an 8-inch strand. That's nice. That's pretty. And I don't know how well the colors are coming across, but they're really deep, really rich colors. And this is called Midnight Azure. So that's what this is all about. Nice, deep, pretty colors here. And then we've got 12mm cyan or cayenne glass pearl beads, 8-inch strand. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, and I'm sure I butchered it, but it's still very pretty. Really nice. These are painted really nice. They feel really good. The holes look good. They're not all gobbly. And then we've got a 8x6mm black rice pressed glass bead. So here's a black rice pearl. These are a little bit bigger than your usual black rice pearls. They're kind of like barrels. These are nice. That's a nice long strand too. And then we've got 6mm royal blue druzy style electroplated glass beads. And check these out. I think these are really pretty. I want you to see them. See how pretty those are? These are really pretty. Oops, they're escaping too. Let me get them back in their little prison here. There we go. So that's those. And then we've got 18 by 8 millimeter 3-hole silver rhinestone spacer bars. These are always fun to play with, especially if you're a stringer. And look at these. They have really pretty little rhinestones on the top, and then they have the holes, so you can make a 3-strand through them, divide. That would be really pretty. That might be a good tutorial for my beginners channel when I have time to actually make something out of these. This particular tutorial opening, I probably will not have time to make anything. Well, I know I won't, so maybe later. But that's what these are. And then we have the 18 by 8 millimeter, nope, that was that, 6 millimeter silver spacer metal beads, and there's 6 of them, and these are little textured beads. They look kind of hammered. These are pretty. These are always fun to use with turquoise gemstones. They look really nice, kind of southwesterny when you do that. These are pretty. Put those back. They're nice heavy beads too. And then we've got 2 3-hole strand toggles. So you could use that with this and connect your 3 strands and then put the bar in and then put some more beads and put another bar in. That would be really pretty. So that's really nice together, and that's probably what I should do on my beginners channel. And I probably will do that sometime this week if I can. And so that is the September bead, September bead box, the Midnight Azure. And I'm going to put these back in the box. And then we're going to go ahead and open the limited edition Cancer Awareness box. So obviously this is breast cancer because it's pink. And let's see what's inside here. So let me open this up. Let me see how nicely it's packaged. And wow, there's a lot of pink in there. Okay, so let's pull this aside. Now let's just try to figure them out with the box and see how much I can annoy you guys while I try to figure out what's in it. So let's see. So we have got 5 by 8 strings of 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter pink or fuchsia glass beads in different styles and sizes. 5 by 16-inch strand of 6 to 8 millimeter pink or fuchsia glass beads in different styles and sizes. And 20 by 10 pink Cancer Awareness silver metal charms. 3 charms, 2 bags, 8 millimeter silver metal bead caps. So let's just look at them because they're not individually listed. But this is a crackle pink bead, and it's like an 8 millimeter or maybe even a 10 millimeter. Now, I think, let me see, let me measure it, and I will tell you how big this is. And it is an 8 millimeter, almost 9. Nice big crackly beads. You can see the crackle through them. I don't know how well, like I said, it's coming through on my video. It's stormy and rainy out, so it's dark in my room here, but those are really pretty. I love that color pink. That's one of my favorite colors. And then, look at this. This one is kind of a painted, I'm going to get really close, see what we can see here. There's like little spackle patterns that are kind of glossy and shiny, and they're really cool. Look at that. If you can see them. Those are really pretty. Those are also like an 8 millimeter. And then we've got 6 millimeter really pretty lustery pearl in pink. That's very pretty. Then we've got 3 Cancer Awareness, or actually there's 2 bags with 3 Cancer Awareness ribbons in it. See? Those are really cute. That's really nice to make a bracelet and put the charm on it, or even by your clasping or whatever you'd like. And then 2 toggles that are little hearts. Let's look at these. Those are really cute. I love little fancy toggles. They give a lot of character to your piece. We've got those. And then we have got the bead caps. If I can get my fingers to work, well, look at these bead caps. There's quite a few in there. And those are pretty bead caps. Little fancy floral. Those are pretty. And there's quite a few in there. And then, of course, we've always got the bag of findings with the ear wires. There's jump rings, crimp beads, and stretch cord in there. And then there's a large pink crackle bead. Look at that. That's pretty. And then another nice 8mm strand of, they're 8 to 10, something like that. I think they're 8, but pretty. It's a nice color. Lots of pink. And look at this one. This is white with like a little pink dusting on it. That's really, really pretty. I like that. That would make a really cute bracelet with one of your little cancer awareness ribbons. And then you could give it to somebody who you know is fighting the fight, or just to wear it for support. That would be fine too. And then look at this one. This is speckle, and it has like silver sparkle stuff through it too. It's like a little sparklies and pink, and that's really that's a really pretty bead. Feels nice too. Nice and heavy. Nice glass bead. And then here's a marbly looking one, and like I said, I don't know how well this is coming through on the video, but you can see that it has patterning, or not patterning, but like a spackle through it, a marbling. It's really pretty. And then there's some really big pink beads here. Look at this. 2 strands of great big pink ones, and those would make really nice stretch bracelets too. That'd be really cute. Even for a little girl, some of these beads would be really pretty. And this is a crackle also. You can see the crackling through it. It's pretty. And that is what is in the Cancer Awareness box. So we have the Midnight Jour September box. And then we have the Cancer Awareness Limited Edition box. Like I said, excuse me, you cannot get the 35% on this off on this box, and it is only available the months of September and October. And this box, you can get 35% off if you're a new subscriber and you put in the code GINA 35%. And this is all at curatedbeadbox.com. So between the 2 boxes, that's a lot of beads. And go check it out. See if you can get yourself a few piles of beads. See you later. Bye-bye.